Shubh, what can you tell us? What are the schools going to do now as a precautionary measure? Is this combing exercise going to continue tomorrow as well? Will the schools be open? What do we know?
Yes, definitely, Vineet. It is itself a very big question because because today at around 7:30, when the Delhi police have reached here and students were being evacuated, principal have sent a message to their parents, to all the parents who have been studying here, because since this Mother Mary school is the only school which takes admissions of only girls, and when such kind of email is received, all the parents were scared, and they have been asking the same question to the school authorities that till then the school will remain closed, because as you can see in the visuals I would like to show, inside the school is closed completely, and still the search operation is going on. Although when we had a word with DCP East, Purva Gupta, she have said that no such bomb type things is found inside the school premises, but till then, when the Delhi police doesn't ensure safety, till then the school will remain closed, because today for now at 7:30 all the students would have been evacuated and they have been sent through the buses, so till then, when the Delhi police doesn't ensure that all these safety protocols have been measured, till then the school will remain shut down, because this is not the first time when Delhi schools have been receiving such threat calls. Previously also, when we talk about South Delhi schools, in the past 1 year, when we observe the data, it clearly says that more than 2 to 3 death threats calls have been received to the school, and this is the same school which admits only girl students, and this Mother Mary school also received the death threat mail at around 4 a.m. and because this mail was sent to other than 100 schools, so the mail was sent in spam, because Mother Mary school was also written down in the CC, and since you can see the visuals, although all the students have been evacuating since hours before, but the Delhi vans have been here, the fire vans have been here, so in case anything suspicious would be found, it can be detected or it can be taken care of. But till then, Delhi police doesn't ensure that all the things are back to the normal. Till then, the school will remain shut down like it is happening today.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.